Hello everybody, today we're playing this. Right, point of view, you're in Squid Game and you're playing Honeycomb, but oh no, they got the umbrella. And this cat must, point of view, you're a guard in Squid Game, you're a triangle. 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 Boy, this is hard. It sure is hard. Play a burger. Eliminated. Burger. Oh boy. What's wrong with player fries? I can't do this. Try or die. Okay. He laughed. This cookie looks so tasty. But I don't need it. I don't. I need it. He eats it. I need more. Eating the other player's honeycombs. Delicious. Nom 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 nom. Can I have some more? Cat eat player fries. Yum. Is the ice cream shop still closed? Asking the burger. Yes, it is, said the burger. No! A few minutes later. Fries are sure yummy. I love eating food when they fail. The end.